Hi guys, welcome to week 6 of our 4-bed HMO project. So this is the one that's for supported living. This week, all the painting has been done, the electrics have been done, the kitchen is going in right now. So we're going to show you a bit of that as well. I've just called the Assad from Heritage Carpets to come and measure up the carpet. That normally takes about a week, where you can actually do it in about 5 days. So I think we've got like a targeted end date of about 7 days. So Assad's going to come on the 7th day to put the carpet in. During that stage we'll also do the snagging. Furniture is also being arranged. The turnaround time for that, the lead time for that right now is about 7 to 10 days, I think. And then we've got blinds coming as well. So this is sort of the active stage. This is the stage where everybody's really active, trying to coordinate everything to finish within about 7 days to 10 days. And then after that, so let's say in about 7 days time, we'll then come and dress everything. We'll start buying the rest of it. Okay, so let's just walk around. This is the kitchen over here. So there's actually really good quality units that we're using for this one. Everything is going in. You probably can't see much other than the carcass at this point. It will be sort of blue, as you can see. This is the back room over here. So we've got the new sink, which is really nice, new radiators, toilet, and I've got the shower unit in there, which is perfectly functional. And everything's been repainted as well. Really durable, sort of waterproof paint, which is actually really important in terms of maintenance. Okay, let's go to bedroom number 1. So as you can see, this room used to be the kitchen, and as you can see, it's completely been transformed. Now this is going to be a really nice bedroom. That's been repainted white. The meters here have been removed. All the walls have been skimmed and repainted, and then you've got a nice view of the garden as well. We're doing a separate video to show the garden, but essentially we've fixed a lot of brickwork, replaced a lot of fence panels, removed the shed that's falling down, and just generally made it a lot safer and more presentable. Okay, let's go upstairs. So the cupboard has all been painted up. That'll be storage area for brooms, buckets, stuff like that. Sorry.
Wash the door.
It's okay.
Is it all right?
It's all good. Thank you. Okay, so you've got more storage in there. So what we've chosen to do the upstairs is the walls were sort of terrible condition. I normally really don't like wallpapering. I prefer to take all the wallpapers off. Replaster, skim, and repaint all the walls, but we have to keep them on the budget for this project. So the solution here is to actually get rid of all the wallpaper, fix as much of the wall as possible, and then re-wallpaper it. It was just the cheaper solution, and actually it looks really good, quite durable, which is really important. And then we've just painted everything else, so everything actually looks brand new now. It actually worked out quite well. As you can see, all the doors have been painted. So room number 2, that's the storage for the beds, which we've moved over here from another supported living property, because some of the tenants that were moving in had their own beds and they wanted to use their own beds. Okay, let's walk into the final master bedroom. Yes, as you can see, the doors here are being painted. Now, there's always a choice of getting sort of the cheaper fire doors and then painting them, but I personally think they do let the whole project down. They make the place look cheap, old, sort of, they don't look very comfortable. I'm not sure if you know the doors, the type of doors I mean. Some people just leave the doors as they are, sort of brown. So it has the sort of brown colour. Some people paint it and normally do a terrible job. We just go straight for these panel ones. Actually, if you can zoom in, I'll show them. And then get them painted, and the quality, it adds the quality and to the finish of the whole project, so it looks like you're in a nice proper home rather than some sort of dormitory or some sort of prison cell. So this is the sort of master bedroom. This is stand right there. Yeah, this is like a really big room. We've added more lighting units here just to make it a lot easier in terms of lighting for the tenants. And then we've got all the fire alarms right here as well. And we've repainted the front. It's a bit dark right now, so I'm not going to walk out and show you. Anyway, hope that's been helpful. I think we've got basically about a week left of actual building work. Well, by way of building work, I mean just putting the kitchen in and putting the doors up. That's it really, and then it's just resting. Okay, hope that's been helpful. See you.